Gee, still no sign of Sesame Street. Nothing but amber waves of green. I think I'm lost. What'll I do? I wish Snuffy were here. Then I'd be lost with my best friend.
Hello, Bird.
Snuffy? Oh, I thought I'd never see you again.
Oh.
I can hardly see you now.
That is because you are imagining me, Bird.
Oh, well, it's so good to almost see you. I suppose a hug is out of the question, you being imaginary right now.
You could imagine that we're hugging, Bird.
That's right. How brilliant. Here comes. Oh, I'm afraid this isn't working, Snuffy. For hugging, you need the real thing.
Oh, don't worry, Bird. We can hug for real when you get back to Sesame Street.
If I ever get back to Sesame Street. But I will.
Uh-oh.
Snuffy? Snuffy?
I guess I gotta go now, Bird. Bye-bye.
Snuffy? Snuffy, please don't leave me. What's that? No. Could that be Miss Finch?
Ernie! I see him!
See who, Bert?
See that yellow spot down there? It's Big Bird!
Oh, yeah. Sure looks like a yellow spot, all right.
Ernie, do something so he knows we're here, quick!
Okay, hang on, Bert.
Huh?
Bert, isn't this fun?
Ernie! This is no time for singing!
Oh, come on, Bert.
Come fly with me in an upside-down world. There's so many strange things to see. There's upside-down people who walk down the street with upside-down shoes on their upside-down feet in an upside-down world.
Ernie!
In an upside-down world.
Ernie, I don't feel too good.
It's fun to be in an upside-down world. There's fish that fall out of the sea. There's upside-down clocks that make everyone late. Upside-down food that won't stay on your plate in an upside-down world. In an upside-down world.
My bottle cap collection!
Hey, listen, I got an idea, Bert. How'd you like to take over the control?
No!
Sure, Bert. It's really easy.
No! Never in a million years!
Hey, Bert, I'm going to trade places with you.
What? No, Ernie?
A hailstorm?
There's upside-down everything all over town. It all looks so funny that I've got to frown. 'Cause a frown is a smile when you turn upside down. In an upside-down, what side down? Whoop-side down, oop-side down, what side down? Upside-down world! Ernie, don't stop. This is fun.
Oh, Bert, there's no time for fun now. We've got to find Big Bird.
Oh!
Oh, no. I'm afraid you've lost him, Bert.
I've lost him.
Yeah, while you were singing, Bert.
But you were singing too. Ernie, why didn't you tell me? You always do that to me.
No, Bert, but why don't you turn the plane around now, Bert?
You please,
Can you turn the plane around?
You private. I don't know how to
What's that stick in front of you?
come over here.
Turn the plane,
Come
Bert.
over there.